Hi and welcome back to day 63 of 100 social media tips. There are some of you that are posting on multiple different social media platforms and you want to repost your videos from maybe TikTok onto Instagram or Instagram onto TikTok, but you've already uploaded it, and if you download, it will have the watermark, and you don't want it to have the watermark because the social media platforms recognize a watermark and it won't push out your videos. So let me show you how easy it is to download your videos without a watermark so that you can repost it on all your different social media platforms. First things first, it's so much easier to do this on a laptop than it is to do it on a phone. So let me just get my laptop for a second. Okay, first what you want to do is actually go into your Instagram profile, click the video that you want to download, and then copy and paste the URL. Then you want to type in this URL here, and it is an Instagram video downloader, so it will download your videos without a watermark. Just paste your Instagram URL here, click download, wait for it to process, close the pop-up, download video, and then close the pop-up again. And now you can see here, it has downloaded my video without a watermark, and then you have your video. And the same thing goes for TikTok. So we go into our TikTok account. Say I want to repost this video, I can copy the URL. Then I want to type in this URL, copy and paste the URL, click download, again, wait for it to process, and then click download, and no watermark. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.